Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Complex Point, and today in this video we are going to study about the logarithmic function and we will show how it is a continuous function. So first of all we will take a function fx which will be equal to log of x, and we know the domain of logarithmic function is all the positive real number. Okay, so on the positive, as we know, the domain is a positive real number. From the positive real number we will take a arbitrary point and let a be it. So we will write let a be any arbitrary number on its domain. So we know that the limit criteria, that we will have to prove it in three way: left hand limit, right hand limit, and the value of the function. If these comes as same in all these, we will say it as a continuous function. So from that criteria we will first write from left hand sides. We will solve that. From left hand side we will solve that when limit x tends to a negative, then the function fx will be equal to log x. So we won't write log x, we will write f of x, which is the function. And when it is so, we will write here limit, when limit h tends to 0, our function become log, and in place of x we will have to write a, and since it is a left hand limit, we will write as a minus h. Okay, now what we will do is we will take out a common in both these a and h. We will take a as common, so here our this will come as limit h tends to 0 log a into 1 plus 1 minus h by a. Okay, since a into 1 is a and a into h by a is h, so here we replace this, we can write it as this one. Okay, now as we know from the log rule, when two numbers are multiplied, it can be written as log a plus b. Okay, so here we will write that as limit h tends to 0 log a plus limit h tends to 0 log 1 minus h by a. Okay, so what we will do here, also the same thing can be done. Log 1 limit can go to these two, 1 and h by a. So here again we will put that limit h tends to 0 log a plus limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus, sorry, minus log h by a or minus h by a. Okay, it can be written as it. So what we will have to do now, we can put h tends to 0 in these cases. When in this no h is there, since the value will come as log a. Okay, here we will put h tends to 0, but we know that log 1 is equal to 0, so the value of this one will become 0 minus, and here also limit, I forgot to put limit h tends to 0 Here also when h will tend to 0, this h will become 0 and the whole will become 0. So it can also be written as 0. So what we get is log a, which is when we put in place of x, a is log a. We get it. Now this was from left hand limit. Now we will do right hand limit. From right hand limit, in right hand limit, limit x will tend to a positive. Okay, so our functions is log x, as we did in our left hand limit we will do here also. H tends to, when h tends to 0, f of x becomes log x plus h, sorry, a plus h. Okay, then we will take a common in both these, so it will become as limit h tends to 0 log a into 1 plus h by a. Okay, so it will again become as limit h tends to 0 log a plus limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus limit h tends to 0 1 plus h by, no sorry, 1 only, it will be log h by a. Okay, so when here h will tend to 0, this function will become as log a, and we know the value of log 1 is equal to 0, plus when h tends to 0 here, this function will become as, don't get confused, it is written as log h by a. Okay, so when h will tend to 0, this whole function will become 0, and what we will get again here is log a. So from right hand limit and left hand limit, both the function both have log a as the function f of a in place of a. So the value of function, when we will take these as on the value of the function, it will also become as log a. Okay, so what we get is from the limit criteria, when limit h tends to 0 f of x, sorry, when limit x tends to a negative is equal to value of the function limit x tends to a positive, means what we get is in all the limit criteria the value of the function is same, hence the function can be said as f of x equals log f of a is log a, hence the given function is a continuous function. Function is continuous. So thank you everyone. If you got anything from this video, please subscribe my channel so that I could get motivated and make more videos like this. Thank you everyone.